So you want to get started with YouTube, but you're not sure where to start when it comes to a strategy. Well, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down how you can create a simple YouTube video content strategy. If you want to learn more about video marketing and social media, make sure you hit that subscribe button below this video so you don't miss out on future videos. So the first thing you need to consider when it comes to your YouTube strategy is your ideal client. Who are you looking to attract? By understanding who you want to watch your videos, you're going to be able to create better content that helps your audience members solve their pains and problems. If you want to learn more about nailing your ideal client, make sure you check out this video right here. I'll also link it in the YouTube cards above this video. Next, you're gonna want to know what your niche is. What kind of content are you going to create on your channel? You want to be specific about this because it helps YouTube categorize your content and show your content to the right people. My favorite way to do this is to create content pillars. So for example, my content pillars on my channel are video marketing, social media, and branding. By creating these three content pillars, YouTube understands what kind of content I'm creating and audience members know what to expect from me on my channel. When thinking about what to create content on for your channel when you're just beginning, you want to be specific enough in your content. You don't want to be super broad. In my content pillars, for example, the niche is marketing, right? But marketing is a super broad topic. It's a super broad niche. So I wanted to narrow it down more by talking specifically about video marketing, social media, and branding. Now, that is still a larger topic and there is a lot to cover within there. I could even narrow it down even more if I wanted to be super specific and talk about specifically YouTube or specifically Instagram. There are a lot of YouTubers here on this platform that do exactly that. So again, think about who you're trying to attract and who your ideal audience is, because that's going to frame what kind of content you're going to look to create. The whole reason that you want to niche down and talk about certain things on your channel is because you want to become a channel of authority. You want to become the go-to person for your specific niche. So you're going to want to think about how often you're going to be releasing videos on your channel. Is it going to be weekly, twice a week, once a month, once every 3 months? Pick a schedule and stick to it. This is really going to help YouTube to understand that you're consistent with your content, and it's also going to help your audience to understand when you're posting content. Consistency really builds trust with your audience and it builds momentum within your own business. So now that you have those technical things out of the way, it's time to create a plan. There are a lot of moving pieces when it comes to creating YouTube videos and getting them up onto YouTube. So think about the skills that you have that you can utilize and the skills that you need to learn. So for example, are you good at video editing? Are you good at graphic design, copywriting, or are those some skills that you might need to learn over the next year? If you need to learn some of these skills, write that down in your plan. The key to a proper strategy here on YouTube is to make sure that you're not biting off more than you can chew. Pick one skill every single year to get better at. So if that's video editing, maybe you make it part of your plan to take some video editing courses for the year to up-level your content. The next thing you need to consider in your plan is there any pieces of the puzzle when it comes to YouTube that you need to hire out? For example, do you need to hire a videographer to come in and video for you? Do you need to hire an editor? Do you need to hire a YouTube strategist? By planning these things and putting them into your YouTube game plan, you're able to budget and maybe make some sacrifices in some other areas of your business to actually invest into your YouTube channel. Once you have a plan on how you're going to make your YouTube channel function, you need to think about how you're going to make yourself stand out from your competition. So what makes you different? Is it the way that you teach something, or is it a certain product or service you have that is filling a hole within your niche? Think about these things, brainstorm them, and use them to your advantage in your video content. Finally, the last thing you need to think about is your game plan for your channel, meaning how are you going to make this channel grow? Are you planning on monetizing this channel? Are you planning on making it a lead generation system for your service-based business, for your product-based business? What are your goals? What are you wanting to get out of your YouTube channel? By planning this out and understanding what your goals are, you're able to track your metrics to make sure you stay on the right path throughout the year. Now, if you want to learn more about creating a lead generation machine with YouTube, make sure you click the link below this video to download my free lead generation ebook. Now, I would love to know, What's your plan for YouTube this year? Let me know in the comments below this video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next week.